Hello, my name is Daniel with Snowbear Heat and Air. I want to show you how to wire up a control board. We've already removed all the wires. So let me show you how to do that. So this connector, there's only one way you could plug this connector in on this Goodman gas furnace. So we also have these black wires, which there's only one place this will connect to. Snap that in right there. Then you have all your neutral wires, which are your white wires. And all those white wires go in one location. It says line neutral. So all this whole bar right here is neutral bar. So they're all neutral wires, which are your whites. So every one of those white wires need to go somewhere on that. We got another one from the blower motor that needs to go on there. Okay. We have these two brown wires that we removed that went to our safety switch, our limit switch right here. And then we have our black wire, which is our main power coming from our door switch right here, which goes to line. It says L-I-N-E-H. And then we have the black wire from the transformer. It says XFMR stands for your transformer. That goes right there on that one. Then we have our low voltage wires that go to our 24 volt transformer. Then we have our wires that come from our blower motor. We have the black wire, which is our high speed, which always goes to cool. It's labeled cool on this little terminal. And we have our blue wire, which is our next speed down, and that's going to go to our heat terminal. It says heat on this little tab. Then these other wires from the blower motor, your leftover wires, go to park. It says park. It's just a dummy terminal is all it is. Sometimes it's labeled spare or park. And that's how you wire up a control board. And if you're needing any assistance, you give us a call at 806-367-9416. We do offer $7 diagnostic fees, $45 maintenances, or you could reach us at snowbearair.com.